Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you something that is quite interesting. I've been working with the dilutions, testing on the road and seeing what works best. Now, what you're seeing here is a pre-mix, I'm going to show you how to do it, of a cheap windscreen washer fluid. Now, you heard that correct. What? Yum cars are doing a washer fluid? No, because there's something a lot better than that. So as you know, here you are, you can see right ahead. That is our Yum glass product, and here you've got pure deionized 0 parts per million water. Now the reason we're using purified water is because when you do activate the windscreen fluid system, when it sprays all over your kind of glass, you're not going to have any water spots because this is a pure, obviously, water. And you're going to be putting in the glass product into here because it's got fantastic degreasing capabilities. It is a pure cleaner, so it's got no polymers, it's got no waxes, so it's not going to inhibit with anything within your system inside the tank and of course onto your glass. So the best dilution ratio that I have come up with through testing is 49:1. Right? Why 49:1? So the total, obviously, parts of that will make 50 parts, and in here is 1,000 ml. Well, the total solution will be 1,000 ml. So if you take 1,000 ml divided by 50, which is the total part, the 1 and the 49, you'll come up with a number of 20. So you've got 980 ml of water in here, and you've got 20 ml of glass. It's unbelievable, right? There we are, just rinse that out. So, all of a sudden, you've got a litre, premix litre, pure water, an unbelievable degreaser that is going to be now cleaning your windscreen properly, nothing harsh, and very effective. Now, this is going to blow your mind. Honestly, the way this cleans the glass, leaves them streak-free, of course. Nothing that's going to overspray onto your car is going to be harmful. And during winter, you're going to just have perfect visibility. And also another cool thing about this is, whereas you know you get your normal pre-mixed or concentrated kind of trade, heavy kind of industry standard windscreen kind of washer fluids, what you will find is they contain a lot of heavy, nasty chemicals. So you're going to overspray it onto your car, especially into the summer. It's going to bake into your paint. You're going to have unsightly water spots. And also, importantly, is when you do have something like, say, Glass Plus on your windscreen, it's going to degrade that protection super quick because you're essentially pretty much doing a bleach wash on your windscreen. So my washer fluid reservoirs here, and basically I'm going to put the entire litre of this carefully, without spilling, into the reservoir. Being as careful as you can. All right, guys, and that's how you have a very safe, yet effective, yet strong windscreen fluid mix for your glass. And you're actually doing something good for your glass rather than hitting it with a chemical bath every time. Now, I like to do a litre mix every time. 49:1, honestly, is beautiful, streak-free. You already have it in your cupboards, the glass product. Why not cross-platform that product into something else that will actually overall look after your car in the long term by keeping it super sweet and streak-free. So again, this is a hack. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please try this. Let me know how you get on, and I look forward to you having super crisp glass in the upcoming winter months. Thank you very much.